Good morning students. Today we study the preparation and reactions of alkynes. First of all we study the preparation of alkynes. Alkynes, unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon triple bond are called as alkanes. Means which are having carbon-carbon triple bond are known as alkynes. Preparation of alkynes. First preparation is from calcium carbide. The action of water on calcium carbide gives acetylene. This is calcium CaC2 plus HOH means water gives acetylene. Calcium carbide on reaction with water will give acetylene. This is the preparation of alkynes from calcium carbide. Second, conversion of acetylene into higher alkanes by dehalogenation of tetrahalides, that is alpha alpha beta beta tetrahaloalkane give alkynes with zinc and ethyl alcohol. So 1 2 3 4 halogen groups are added, so they are known as tetraalkyl halides. Alpha 2 times alpha because 2x, then on beta portion 2x. So alpha beta beta tetrahalo means 4 halogen groups are there. So tetrahaloalkanes on reaction with zinc oblique ethyl alcohol on heating will give you alkanes RC triple bond C R dash. So this is the second preparation of alkynes. Next, dehydrohalogenation of vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides means halides which are present on adjacent carbon atom are known as vicinal. If two halogens are present on adjacent carbon atom, they are known as vicinal dihalides. So vicinal dihalides, alpha carbons give alkynes with strong bases. So Na2 is a strong, sodamine is a strong base. So this vicinal dihalides will give, this sodamine will give alkynes. C triple bond is known as alkynes. Next, reactions of alkynes. Formation of metal acetylides. Sodium acetylides, for example. Acetylene when treated with sodium in liquid ammonia or when passed over molten sodium gives monosodium acetylide, which on further reaction gives disodium acetylide. So this is acetylene in the presence of sodium, liquid ammonia will give mono, means one sodium group is substituted. So monosodium acetylide again with liquid ammonia and sodium will give disodium acetylide. So this is the formation of metal acetylide. Example, sodium acetylide. Addition of bromine. Bromine when treated with acetylene undergo addition reaction to give dibromoethene, which on further reaction with give tetrabromoethane. So acetylene on reaction with bromine will give 1,2-dibromoethene. Double bond is there, so ethene. This double bond also gets then converted into single one. Bromine again. 2 more bromine atoms are substituted. 1122 tetrabromoethane. So addition of bromine to acetylene will give 1122 tetrabromoethane. Next, addition of alkaline KMnO4. It is also known, alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayer's reagent. Oxidation by Bayer's reagent. Acetylene in presence of Bayer's reagent, that is alkaline KMnO4, gives oxalic acid by oxidation. Acetylene in the presence of potassium permanganate. Alkyne means in basic medium will give, first it will give 2 carbonyl groups are substituted, then again these 2 carbonyl groups get oxidized to oxalic acid. Oxidation with hot alkaline KMnO4. Alkynes undergo oxidative cleavage with hot alkaline KMnO4. In this oxidation, triple bond breaks and both triple bonded carbon convert into carboxylic group and carboxylic acids are formed. C triple bond C in the presence of alkaline KMnO4, that is KMnO4 and OH minus, you will get. So here both these bonds, both these carbon get converted into carboxyl groups, COO groups, and you are getting 2 carboxylic acid, RCOH and R-COH. Carboxylic acid are formed by oxidation with hot alkaline KMnO4. Next, ozonolysis. Ozone adds to carbon-carbon triple bond forming ozonide. Ozonides are hydrolyzed by water to form dicarbonyl compounds and hydrogen peroxide. These dicarbonyl compounds are oxidized by hydrogen peroxide to carboxylic acid by the cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. So these alkynes on ozonolysis will give ozonide. First ozonide is formed. There is three oxygen groups are there. This on hydrolysis will give dicarbonyl compound, then with hydrogen peroxide will give carboxylic acid by ozonolysis. Thank you.